Hey guys, welcome back to Mybartender. Today we'll be showing you how to make the classic 1920s cocktail, the Boulevardier. Now for this cocktail, you could use bourbon or rye. Today we'll be using bourbon. First, fill your mixing glass with ice. Next, add 1 1/4 ounce of your favorite bourbon. Next, add 1 ounce of Campari. Next, add 1 ounce of sweet vermouth. Now use your bar spoon to stir until well chilled. Next, drop an ice rock into your rocks glass and pour. Finally, garnish with an orange peel. And that's how you make the Boulevardier. Cheers.